In today's video, we're gonna share with you some strategies that can help you drive traffic to your store, make your first sale, start making money, and grow your business. Hype! YouTube video hype! These strategies are completely free, which is why it's perfect for starting entrepreneurs like you. Apologies for the mania. Make sure you watch until the end and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Have you subscribed yet? Okay, let's go. Strategy number 1, market to your personal connections. Start within your circle. You probably already know some people who might be interested in your product or your service. Let's use this opportunity to share it with them. Most first sales of an entrepreneur usually come from family or friends or people that they already know. It's all about trust. Add your store URL to your personal social media accounts. Send everybody you know who might be interested with your brand or is part of your target audience a personalized message. Not just a mass, blanket, kind of nonsense, broad, vague. No. You want to be tight, personal, and polite. People who know you are the best people you can talk to first, as they can help you spread the word about your brand to their own personal networks as well. They can also give you honest feedback to further improve your product or brand in general. Strategy number 2, find groups and communities within your niche. Putting your store out there in the right places is going to be the best free way that you can drive traffic to your store. Look on forums, Reddit threads, or Facebook groups in your niche and share the link to your store. This is a great opportunity to reach people with the same interests that are related to your product or your brand. You should also have a giver's mentality. Make sure that you add value to the conversations, offer some help, or introduce them to somebody or something that can help them as well, as they might be a valuable connection for you in the future. Send them or share with them informative or interesting articles related to your niche. This could be a great way to break the ice, and then you can introduce your product or brand after. Make sure you always give value first and don't spam your company. It's not going to be great for either you or people reading it. Strategy number 3, set up your store's social media accounts. This is obviously an obvious point, but as a starting business, this is one of the most important things that you should do for your brand. This is going to help you reach your customers, generate brand awareness, sales, lead, and finally, revenue. What are the benefits of a business social media account? Well, apart from analytics, it's going to help you attract more actual customers instead of just friends and family members. It's going to give you feedback to improve your business because people can comment straight on your posts. It's going to build customer loyalty because it's going to have communication and you can share your brand through photographs and posts. You can also keep an eye on your competitors and most importantly, drive traffic to your store or business with that link in the bio. Beware though, because if you don't have a clear social media marketing strategy, you might not reap those results you want to see. So make sure you thoroughly do your research as well. And who knows, you could subscribe to the channel and check out our videos to learn more about marketing strategies that can help you and your business. We might have some social media specific strategy videos to come out for you soon, so stay tuned and subscribe. YouTube hype. However, the main reason I believe business social media accounts don't assist them is by sharing only brand related content. So make sure you share ideas, values, and jokes that are down to earth and relatable, not just posts about your new product or collaboration. Once in a while, it's great, but not all the time. Strategy number 4, offer discount codes. Now that you've set up all your social media channels, you can start driving people to your store through discount codes. This is a classic gag. You can further make use of this by having them sign up, then get discount codes by redeeming through email. Then you get their email accounts as well. This way you are building an email list. You can also do surveys, ask people for feedback. Take this opportunity to collect important information to further improve your business, and then after people fill it out, they can get a discount code. You can also ask people to follow your accounts, share your posts, tag a friend through competitions. These are all brilliant ideas. And in this way, you are also growing your account and collecting potential customers. Then we have strategy number 5, write blogs. Consider writing blogs. Blogs can help you establish your brand and further set you apart from your competitors. It also helps build trust with your potential customers. I see this all the time on online stores where it has a great little product, it's kind of fancy, it looks unique, and they'll have a newsletter with like 1 or 2 articles on it. That is such a turnoff for me, especially if those articles are out of date. So if you do run a blog, make sure that you post consistently. Before you start publishing the blog, I would say having 20 blog posts in the back pocket is a good idea. That way you can schedule them out once a month and keep it update. For those new customers on your page, they'll say, oh, they put out a blog last week. Oh, they put out a blog last month, and they've been putting out blogs either last week or last month for the last 4 months. It's gonna be a lot better than, oh, they put out a blog in August 2014 and then in 2019. Is this even a real thing? Am I gonna get my product? It's not good social proof. It's also really good for SEO. Including blogs on your website can drive more traffic to your store and get your brand discovered. You can also repurpose your blog and turn it into social media content that your audience can share and talk about. And most importantly, the benefit of having a blog is it helps you convert traffic into leads. You can add call to actions and try to relate your product to the blog that you're writing. So before we get to the last one, I'm gonna plug Debutify. Debutify is the all-in-one e-commerce solution for brand owners. Head to debutify.com to try the 14-day free trial on your business. Strategy number 6 though, last but not least, do collaborations. Another great way that you can collaborate with bloggers, influencers, or relevant people within your niche. This is one of the greatest ways to further reach your target audience and spread awareness about your brand. You can start looking at influencers in your niche, reach out to them, create a deal. Maybe you can send out your products to them for free, and then they can post it on their socials. This can also help you with social proof and make your brand more trustworthy to potential customers. We've actually done a few videos on Instagram influencers and other influencers and how to market to them and how to talk to them and how to do the whole thing, so check those out if you want. As for the bloggers or publishers, you can give your product to a blogger for free, and in exchange they can write a review about it. If you have an interesting story and a unique product offering, use that opportunity and submit it to different publications. This can help you further reach an audience by being featured on a news website or relevant website within your niche. And that's it for today's video. These are only some of the few free ways that you can drive more traffic to your store. I hope that you learned a lot from this. Check out our other videos as well, and good luck with your business and take care. Take it easy. Have a great day.